Get on. Get on. Monter. Monter. Get on the bus. Get on the bus. Monte dans le bus. Monte dans le bus. Get off. Get off. Descendre. Descendre. They got off the bus. They got off the bus. Ils sont descendus du bus. Ils sont descendus du bus. Take off. Enlever. Enlever. He took off his clothes. He took off his clothes. Il a enlevé ses vêtements. Il a enlevé ses vêtements. Put on. Put on. Mettre. Mettre. He put on his new clothes. He put on his new clothes. Il a mis ses nouveaux vêtements. Il a mis ses nouveaux vêtements. Look for. Look for. Chercher. Chercher. I am looking for my puppy. I am looking for my puppy. Je cherche mon chiot. Je cherche mon chiot. Look after. Look after. S'occuper de. S'occuper de. I am looking after my mom. I am looking after my mom. Je m'occupe de ma mère. Je m'occupe de ma mère. Pick up. Pick up. Ramasser. Ramasser. They pick up their books on the floor. They pick up their books on the floor. Ils ramassent leurs livres par terre. Ils ramassent leurs livres par terre. Take out. Take out. Sortir. Sortir. She takes out her lunchbox. She takes out her lunchbox. Elle sort sa boîte à lunch. Elle sort sa boîte à lunch. Break up. Break up. Se rompre en français. Se rompre. We never break up our relationship. We never break up our relationship. Nous ne rompons jamais notre relation. Nous ne rompons jamais notre relation. Get up. Get up. Se lever. Se lever. I got up at 8 a.m. today. I got up at 8 a.m. today. Je me suis levée à 8 heures du matin aujourd'hui. Je me suis levée à 8 heures du matin aujourd'hui. Get in. Get in. Entrez dans. Entrez dans. He got in his car and left. He got in his car and left. Il est monté dans sa voiture. Il est monté dans sa voiture. Give up. Give up. Abandonner. Abandonner. Don't give up on what you want to do. Don't give up on what you want to do. N'abandonnez pas ce que vous voulez faire. N'abandonnez pas ce que vous voulez faire.